Again.
I'll take a screenshot of Nile by then.
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Hello.
Now, what is our learning outcome? So we will study the biography of Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam. So we will learn first about Ismail alayhi salam's birth detail. Then we'll know also about his migration and the incident of creation of Zamzam. We will also know about his sacrifice. We'll also know about rebuilding Kaaba by Ibrahim and Ismail alayhi salam. You know that they both rebuilt Holy Kaaba. Then we'll know also the incident of his achieving title. There is a title of him. And last, we will know his
আপনার voice অনেক কম শোনা যায় না
Clear now?
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me?
Nope.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, it is full.
Here. Can you hear? Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, next. First, we'll know about his birth detail. You know that Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam was born in 910 BC. What is the meaning of BC?
Before Christ.
Before Christ. 1910 years ago of Christian era. That means from now, it is 3,930 years ago. Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam was born 3,930 years ago. That time.
আর অনেকের না মানে মাইক মিউট করা কথা বলতে পারতেছে না যে কি সমস্যা হচ্ছে
Problem. We will solve all the problems. Everyone, you will note the question. I will give the opportunity at the end of our lesson. Then you will ask. Now, you listen carefully, attentively. Okay. Now, that time, Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam was 86 years old. You know that at his old time, he prayed to Allah to give a son. Allah granted him and awarded him with Hazrat.
Sir, should we write it down?
Alayhi salam. What?
Should we write it down?
Which one?
Sir, this, he was born, his birth detail.
Of course, you should write everything. You should record everything, important things. Okay. Next, parents. You know that Ibrahim alayhi salam has two wives. Number one, Hajara and Sarah.
What?
Who is his mother? Who is Ismail's
Sir, Hajira.
mother? You know that Hajara.
Sir, Hajira alayhi salam.
Hajara alayhi salam.
ভাই একটু আস্তে
Both
আস্তে
are right. Was the mother of Ismail alayhi salam.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, descendants, his next generation. We know that from Ismail alayhi salam, our Prophet sallallahu alayhi salam from his tribe came. And Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam is the forefather of Quraysh tribe in Makkah and also in North
আমার
Arab
চোখ উঠছে
and
Wow.
Adnan tribe in North
আমার মারে জিজ্ঞেস কর বিশ্বাস না করলে
Okay.
ওই অনলাইনে চোখ উঠলে আমাদের হবে তো তাই
সেই
Okay, now next.
এক্সডি পোলা পাইন
So he is the forefather of two tribes. How many tribes? Number one, Quraysh tribe and also Adnan
প্রথমবার
tribe.
একটা ফ্যাক্ট কথা বলবো
Okay. Now we'll know about his migration. It is not migration, it is exile. exile of Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam, we know that when Ismail alayhi salam was born, Allah ordered Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam to exile Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam with his mother to the valley of Makkah.
The previous page টা আরেকবার দেখাতে পারবেন?
Okay, now
Previous
okay, but the time is too short. You have to equip with the time.
it was
Clear? Okay. Can we go forward?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We're going.
sir 1 minute sir
Yeah. Okay.
Sir, my internet connection was unstable. I couldn't write anything.
I'll
Only
just take a screenshot.
In brief, you should write in brief. Okay. Not in full sentence. Only the important.
আসলে এটা তোমার ভালো লাগবে না
Yeah. Okay. Now.
Yes, sir.
we're going forward. Next. Exile. So, by the order of Allah, Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam exiled his newborn baby Ismail and his wife Hajira to the valley of Makkah. Where now today Baitullah, the house of Allah is situated. But the existence of Baitullah
কি ছিল?
was not present that time because we know that due to the great flood during Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam, the whole world went in down the water. So the Baitullah, it was destroyed. There was no existence of Baitullah. So Allah planned to rebuild Baitullah by Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam. So this is the
just
step
শব্দ
of
করা
the-
বন্ধ কর।
শুনতে পাচ্ছি না
This is the step to rebuild Baitullah. This is the first step to exile Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam.
স্যার
That
স্যার
place.
স্যার অনেকজনের সমস্যা হচ্ছে বলতে পারতেছে না একটু আনমিউট করে দেন ওদের
Sir, unmute
স্যার,
option আছে।
না না স্যার মানে পার্টিসিপেট
মানে স্যার
যেন
আমাদেরকে
নিজেকে
আপনি
আনমিউট করতে পারে ওটা একটা এনেবল করেন পারমিশন দেওয়া আনমিউট করার
But you are talking too much.
যা ওদের প্রবলেম হচ্ছে সেটা বলতে পারতেছে
Problem,
না
everyone should write their problem. At the end, I
তা
will
আপনি তো
discuss.
চ্যাটও ডিসেবল করছেন
Yes, yes.
তো লিখবে কেমনে
Now I am muting all.
Hello.
I am muting all. Okay.
okay
Okay. Now I am allowed. Okay. Now you can ask. But
Sir,
unmute
someone
the-
is making noise, sir.
Okay, I take the opportunity. Now you
Sir,
can-
what is called barren?
Barren means uncultivable.
I had the same
Yes, sir. What?
about Baron.
Uncultivable.
Oh, uncultivable. Okay.
Why?
স্যার who are the wives of Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi
এটা বলছে হচ্ছে আমার
salam? Please unmute everyone.
Yes.
Imran is a person.
For this I muted all. Now I am muting all.
আর সবাই
Okay, only you will listen to me. Don't ask. You cannot. You will not be. Will not get opportunity to sound this moment. At the end of the lesson, I will make all of you unmute. Okay, now listen to me step by step. Okay. So Ibrahim alayhi salam exiled them. Only he gave them a bag of water, a bottle of water, and a bag of dates. Then, before returning, Ibrahim alayhi salam prayed to Allah to make the land cultivable and also to provide some people who will be kind to them, towards them, and also to provide them with fruits and vegetables so that they will thank Allah for this provided. Then Ibrahim alayhis salam returned from here. Okay, don't raise hand. Now, creation of Zamzam. Now there is a how Zamzam is treated. We will discuss now. First, only they have a bag of dates and a bottle of water. So it is not sufficient to survive with this food. After a few days, the food was finished. But Ibrahim alayhis salam felt very, very thirsty and he was crying and crying. Hazrat Hazira radiallahu ta'ala anhu became worried and anxious. So what will she do for his newborn baby? There is no water, no food near her. So there were two hills, two sides, opposite to opposite. First, Hazrat Hazira rushed to the nearby hill Safa, and he climbed up the hill, and he looked around for any kafila, but he did not find any kafila who will provide them food and drinks. Next, he rushed to the opposite hill, named Marwa. And he also climbed up the hill, but he did not find anyone around the hill. So again, he rushed to the Safa, then he rushed to the Marwa, then she rushed to the Safa, then she rushed to the Marwa. 7 times she rushed between the hills. So Hazira, she was disappointed. He did not find anything. So what will she do? She returned to her baby. But surprisingly, he saw an angel is standing there and he is pointing out the feet of Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam. Hazira, what? Look at the baby, and he saw a fountain. The water is coming out of the ground, and he took water and fed her baby. So here the source of water, it is going deep, and this well is named next Zamzam. So in this well, Zamzam is created. So if there is water in the desert, then the birds are flying over the source of water. So seeing this, the tribe Jurham, they came there and they found the water, and so they stayed there, and with the permission of Hazira alayhi salam, they began to live beside Zamzam. So Quraysh tribe, it is one of the branches of this tribe Jurham, and Ismail alayhi salam married this tribe. That time the name Jurham, Quraysh tribe, originated many years later. Okay, now his sacrifice. Now we know his sacrifice about Hazrat Ibrahim alayhis salam from his boyhood. He faced many tests from Allah. You know that in childhood he was thrown into the heat of fire and he overcome. But in his old time, when Hazrat Ismail alayhis salam was only 13 years old, Allah ordered Ibrahim alayhi salam to sacrifice his beloved son Ismail alayhi salam. So this is acid test for Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam. But without any hesitation, he is ready to sacrifice his beloved son. Then he came to Ismail alayhi salam and Hajira alayhi salam. And Ibrahim alayhi salam informed Hajira and also Ismail alayhi salam. But then Ismail alayhi salam considered to be sacrificed because Allah ordered it. So we have to obey the order of Allah. This was their mentality. So both are ready and agree to obey the order of Allah. Then they are starting for Mina because Mina is the place of sacrifice. On the way, Iblis, the greatest enemy of human beings, tried to deceive Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam. But Ismail alayhi salam recognized these Shaitan, Devil, and in 3 places, Iblis tried 3 times. But Ismail alayhi salam recognized Iblis and he drove Iblis away by throwing stones. You know that during Hajj, the Hajj performer throws stones in 3 places. His system is created from this incident. So now they reached Mina. Ismail and Ibrahim alayhi salam reached Mina, and Ismail alayhi salam lay down. He was ready to be sacrificed, and also Ibrahim alayhi salam was ready to slaughter Ismail alayhi salam. At that time, both are ready. One is to slaughter, and other is to be slaughtered. There is no hesitation. So then Allah called Ibrahim alayhi salam and declared, "Oh Ibrahim, you are successful in your taste. So no need to slaughter his beloved son Ismail alayhi salam. So instead of Ismail alayhi salam, you should slaughter an animal. So it will be acceptable to me." This is the declaration of Allah for Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam. So this is the incident of sacrifice. Now we'll discuss the rebuilding of Baitullah, Kaaba, Baitullah. We know that Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam and Ismail alayhi salam, they built the house of Allah, Baitullah. Baitullah was built first by the angels before the inventing of Hazrat Adam alayhi salam. But due to the great flood during Nuh alayhi salam, it was destroyed. So Allah planned, and according to the plan, Ibrahim alayhi salam and Ismail alayhi salam started to rebuild Kaaba, Baitullah. So Allah showed the place where the Kaaba was situated in the first time. Then Ibrahim and Ismail alayhi salam, they established the Holy Kaaba, and we know that there is a symbol of Ibrahim alayhi salam. This is called Maqam Ibrahim. While building the walls of Kaaba, Ibrahim alayhi salam, he had to stand on a rock. The rock was brought by Ismail alayhi salam. So the footprint of Ibrahim alayhi salam is inscribed on the rock. So this rock is called Maqam Ibrahim. It is also present in the Kaaba. Now we will discuss the incident of receiving title. Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam has a title. It is Sadiqul. Sadiqul Wad. There is a misspelling. It will be S-A-D-I. D is missing here. Sadiqul Wad. You know that it is an Arabic word. Its meaning is promise keeper. So, what is the incident to get this title by Allah? Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam promised to a person to meet at a fixed place. So, at the fixed time, Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam went there. He was waiting and waiting and waiting. 1 day, 2 days, over. But the person didn't come. Then, on the 3rd day, the person remembered the promise. Then he rushed to the place and he surprised to see Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam there. So he apologized and they meet together. For this incident, Allah, the Almighty, gave him the title Sadiqul Wad. Sadiqul Wad means promise keeper. So this is declared in the Holy Quran. Now, in end time, you know that Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam spent his whole life in Makkah. And he died there at the age of 130. That means 1880 BC. From now it is 3,800 years back. So that's all about the Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam. Now I am unmuting you. You will ask a question. I am asking you a question. Now you will answer. I am asking.
Sir, I have a question.
Okay, now ask me.
So first, sir, go to the page where you have written the sacrifice of Hazrat Ibrahim. Sir, Ibrahim alayhi salam, right?
Go to
What?
the first page.
Sir, can you go to the page where you wrote about his sacrifice?
This is written in your textbook.
Sir, can you go to the page?
We are asking the question.
I haven't.
একজন একজন করে বলো।
After finishing the question.
Sir, I have a question.
Okay.
একজন করে বলো।
We cannot go
Sir,
the back.
firstly,
We cannot go to back. You ask question. Okay.
স্যার আপনি লিখেছিলেন যে হযরত ইব্রাহিম আলাইহিস সালামকে জানা অবস্থায় একটা পশুকে কোরবানি দেওয়া হয়েছে, কিন্তু স্যার আমাদের বইতে তো লেখা যে হযরত ইব্রাহিম আলাইহিস সালাম চোখ খুলে দেখেন যে একটা পশু কোরবানি হয়ে গেছে। আর এখানে একটা কনফিউজ লাগছে।
It is not
Same question.
contradiction between them.
Okay.
So when they are ready to sacrifice and to be sacrificed, then Allah called and He allowed Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam to slaughter an animal in the state of Ismail alayhi salam. So there is no contradiction.
Thank you, sir.
আরে তুমি সাউন্ড বাড়াও না তোমার ল্যাপটপে বাজার চালাও।
Basis of square feet.
Okay, any question?
Depend on as per
Now we are
building.
going to the question.
Good
Okay,
building, that is
I am putting the question, you must
One stone that
answer
is building is that is 10
who is the first answerer.
and
First
Sri Lanka
question.
building that is square feet at one.
Okay, when was Ismail alayhi salam born?
In 1910
1910 BC.
1910 BC.
1910 BC. How many years ago from now?
Building rate is 10,000.
3.8K. 3.8K years ago.
3,930
Okay.
years ago.
Next
3,930.
Sir,
When,
yes.
when
Yes, sir.
a student start to answer other, keep silent. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next, which tribe originated from Ismail alayhi salam?
Quraysh tribe.
Sir, Quraysh tribe and Adnan tribe.
Adnan tribe.
Sir,
Right answer. Next question. Where did Ibrahim alayhi salam exile Ismail alayhi salam?
Mina.
sir, the barren land or sir, the barren
Oh,
land.
sir, the barren land, sir.
Yes,
the
the
barren
valley of
land.
Makkah,
Yes,
where
sir,
the
exile
Kaaba
of
is situated. Here.
It's barren land of Baitullah.
Okay. Next
Sir,
question. What prayer did Ibrahim alayhi salam submit to Allah while exiling Ismail and Hajar alayhi salam? Answer.
Sir, he prayed that
এই কথা বলে।
Yeah. Continue.
Yes.
দয়া করে বলো রে ভাই।
He prayed Allah to offer them with fruit and food so that they can show gratitude to them.
Cultivable. First, we make the land cultivable to provide food and to provide some people,
Sir,
kind-hearted
Sir,
people who will.
স্যার অ্যান্সার বইয়ের পেজের 105 নম্বর পৃষ্ঠা শেষ।
Okay, now you inscribe inside your mind. Okay. Next question. Which tribe began to live beside Zamzam?
Sir, Jurham.
Oh
my
God,
shut up.
কে করতেছে?
400 তো
And
দেখছি ভাই 400 তো
at
না, না, আমার
দাই
he taken to
Sir,
Mina to testify.
Sir, 13 years old.
That at the age of
At the age
13.
of 13.
Right answer. Next question.
Sir, at the age of 13.
In which surah did Allah describe the incident of Ismail's sacrifice?
Sir, Surah Ibrahim.
Safar. Surah Safar.
Surah Safat.
Surah Safar. Surah
Yes.
Safar.
Yes, incident of Ismail's sacrifice. Okay. Next, what is Ibrahim?
কি বললো?
stone word
What is Maqam Ibrahim?
The place where Ibrahim alayhi stood on.
stone
Okay, only 2 minutes left. Okay.
call a stone
What is Maqam Ibrahim?
Sir, the rock where Salam had to stand on.
On which Ibrahim alayhi salam stood
চুপ থাক।
to rebuild Baitullah.
Sharks mute করো।
Okay, now. What is the title of Ismail alayhi salam?
Sir,
সাইকুল ওয়ান।
yes sir.
সাইকুল ওয়ান।
It is misspelling.
Sadiqul One.
সাদিকুল ওয়ান।
He is missing here. Okay. Sadiqul One. Sadiqul One. Okay. His name is. Floating on the
कोई
water.
मानो।
Okay. Next question.
My name
When, where, and what age did Ismail alayhi salam die?
Sir, at the age of 130 and at Makkah and at 1880 BC. 3800 years. Yes, sir, 3800 years back.
Yes.
Of
Okay,
Iraq. Boom.
now, today our lesson is over. Now, is there any question from you?
Allah Hafiz, sir.
Allah Hafiz, sir.
আসসালামু আলাইকুম স্যার।
আসসালামু আলাইকুম
আসসালামু আলাইকুম স্যার। স্যার আসসালামু আলাইকুম স্যার।
ওয়ালাইকুম
স্যার, ভালো থাকেন
ইনশাআল্লাহ
স্যার, ভালো থাকেন
stay home stay
আল্লাহ
আল্লাহ হাফেজ
প্রয়াস করতেছে এগুলা প্রয়াস করতেছে
ওয়া বারাকাতুহু
স্যার ভালো থাকেন স্যার আসসালামু আলাইকুম
ওয়ালাইকুম
স্যার ভালো থাকেন স্যার কেটে দেন স্যার